Today I am going to give you a brief explanation of relays. I got a 9-volt battery with this kind of adapter, screwdriver, the Arduino Uno, male to female jumper wires, a LED light panel and a barrel connector. So this is a simple diagram of a relay. As you can see, there is a coil and 3 pins. If you supply a voltage throughout the coil, it generates a magnetic field. So this thing flips to the NC pin. It means normally closed, as shown here. This NO pin means normally open. You apply a current here and we can on off it with this small electric current flowing through. So this is the sketch we are going to use today. You can see I designed the 13 pin as output, and this pin 13 pin is high for 1 second and the 13 pin is low 1 second. Don't care about the 12 pin, I have commented it. So let's make the circuit. First you should get these wires, and you can see this is the normally open pin and this is the normally closed pin. And I am going to work with the normally closed pin, and I am going to shove this in here and this, and tighten the nuts with a screwdriver. Okay, then I am going to get these things, and this black wire is connected to ground, white wire is VCC, and this is the signal pin. We have to connect this black wire to ground, this pin named GND, and white wire to VCC pin, and this signal wire to IN1 pin. So I complete that step. Let's go on to the next step. Then you have to connect this barrel connector here. So this is not turning on because this pin is normally closed, and we have to upload the sketch. So I am going to connect this. You can see this flashed, and I am going to tools and Arduino Uno. I think the port is not recognizing yet. Then go to port and select COM33. This Arduino is COM33. Then upload sketch. Okay, the sketch is uploaded, and you can see the LED time turning on and turning off. Delay time of 1 second. You can change the delay time and use an input method like a PIR sensor or Lisitha for ultrasonic sensor or Bluetooth module. That's it for this video. So bye.